Hi, friends. Wow. Where are we? Can you look around? Where are we? That's right, we're at the playground. Do you like the playground? Yes, me too. There's so many fun things to do at the playground. There's slides and swings and fun things to go in and climb on. What's your favorite thing to do at the playground? Wow, that's so much fun. Can you count how many balls there are? How many balls are there at the playground? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, good job. There are 5 balls at the playground. I'm so proud of you. Good job. Sometimes when we go to the playground, we bring toys from home. Miss Audrey brought a little cow. Isn't he cute? Moo. And a giraffe. Wow. I brought these toys with me today to play at the playground. I have 2 toys. 1, 2. And look, there's a friend here. Hello. My name is Miss Audrey. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Abby.
Wow, that's a beautiful name. Do you think I should share my toys with my new friend? Yes, let's share our toys. Sharing is so nice. Do you share your toys? Good, that's so good. Let's share our toys. I'm gonna give her the giraffe. Here you go. Here's a giraffe to play with.
Thank you.
I love sharing. Sharing is so nice. Can you share your toys with a friend? Good job. I'm so proud of you.